Alright everyone, good evening. It is December 17th, 2020, and here's what we were looking at for today. I would say this is a range day. Lot of good trades, I thought. Especially we had this downward movement here in this green channel, and we had a lot of good trades off these price levels and these key entry points. Prices traded up overnight, hit this resistance up here, and it looked like we were getting this yellow channel, but this yellow channel didn't hold very long, and that's when I realized I should draw this channel off the lows. That's how I got this green channel. So we got that green channel for a few hours, and then until 3 o'clock prices traded up like this. So let's take a look at these trades. I'm gonna try and be quick because I'm doing this in the same room as my baby who is sleeping. So we had a difficult day with him today. All right. So as I said, prices traded up overnight, and we got this sort of range here. I'm trying to think of when I drew this price level. Oh, okay, so I drew this price level up here, obviously from this level. Okay, prices looks like this is kind of a downward channel right here that we have, and then they made a move up, and then you get this triple test right here. This is right after the open. I like this move a lot. You would need prices to go below the EMA, so I could see why you would be a little leery of this trade. I marked it as aggressive because of the signal bar and how large it is and how much space there is in between the close of that and the EMA. Prices did back up. At that point, you're probably getting a little nervous, but just have faith. Because look, you get a move up. This is perfect price action. A break of the trend, a move to attempt at a new high, and then a reversal. So prices move down in this yellow channel, and we get a failed second entry long, first entry, second entry. So you would have to go off this bullish bar is the problem. But it's also a second entry short. First entry, second entry. So that's why I marked it. It's aggressive. Like I said, you'd have to go put your order beneath this slightly bullish bar. It's kind of neutral. And then prices, then this is where we start to see, okay, maybe we're in a channel off these lows. Let's see. And I still didn't have this midline drawn at this point. So once we had these highs and then these highs, that's when I drew this level. You see a close here, close here, close here, and then these touches. But anyway, this yellow channel gets broken. Prices kind of hang around down here for a little bit, and then they move to the top. You get a break of this trend, this channel. Attempt at a new high. It's a lower high. And look, it's clear price rejection. Or this whole area is price rejection. You get the move up. Prices come back down to near the EMA. Then they go back up to the trend line. And boom, just reverse. So this doesn't look like severe congestion. Even though there is some overlap, prices are moving around. So then let's see why. I think this was an important level, if I'm remembering. No, it's not. Here we have a second entry. So we have this high, first entry, second entry. And I like it because it closes above the it doesn't close above the EMA. I don't know why I said that. Above this level of support. So look at how many times this level was touched. That's when I mark this level. So you see it closes above that, and we already had a move to a new low. Hold on. Oh, okay, so this goes over here. Okay. So this is just the second entry long. It's back into this this range. That's why I like this. It's second entry long back into the range. And you know plenty of people are going short into this, so that's why I like that. Plenty of room back to the EMA. Comes back to this level, the trend line. Look at, so, all right, this is a second entry short. First entry, second entry. It's a lower high off the trend line, and this is a trap. Whenever you see a big bullish bar like that at the high of a trend line, or a big bearish bar at the bottom of a trend line, and it ticks above it, people are probably treating this like a higher low, and it's just a great signal bar to go long above. It's just not at a good point to go long. That's a trap. So yeah, there's trap shorts or trap longs here. So I took, I'm pretty sure this, did I take this one? No, I didn't take this one. I wasn't watching this live yet. This is where I started watching live. I had to come in late in the day. So yeah, that's, I really like that trade. There's multiple reasons for you to be going short beneath that. That's what, so I like that trade. So I marked this as aggressive. It is a second entry long, and it does come after the trend line break. This is like a downward channel right here. Get a break, move to a new low, second entry long. But it's aggressive because it's just such a big bar, and you're going long in a downward channel. That's another reason this was marked aggressive too. But anyway, we get this move up. This is where I started watching. You get this lower high here, but it just looks too congestive. Honestly, I think you should take that probably, but because that's like a trap too. Look at this bullish bar. People definitely went long above that. Yeah, that is a trap. I didn't say that, but that is a trap. Look at the move down. You know people were trapped there. So that's a lower high. You might want to take that. This doji worried me. But I think I like that. So anyway, big move down, and since it's moving down, I figured at this point, okay, let's measure. And so you measure, and it comes right here, okay? So we get another lower high. I wanted to go short. I wanted to go short so bad in here, since I just missed this trade and was doubting myself kind of. But there's just no good signal bar here, unfortunately. But people are getting trapped going long because they probably see this channel and price is not making it to the bottom of the channel. So they're going long, and boom, big move down, and then prices bounce. And so these people were right that the trend line was about to be broken, as it did get broken here, but they just were too early. So anyway, prices bounce, they start moving up, and I was really happy. Hold up, I'm seeing an aggressive trade right here. Probably failed though. Let's see. I'm looking at this first, failed second entry long right here. So let's see, where's your entry? Your entry is at 705. Oh, and this would have made it. I like this. Let me mark this. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention this, but I'm marking the mini, the S&P 500 mini So please let me know if you would rather I just do the regular ES, but I just figured I've been trading the mini ES for the past few weeks, so I can analyze it better because I'm watching prices. So let me know, please let me know in the comments how you feel, if you'd rather I do the regular S&P 500 or if you're okay with me doing the mini, because I mean Mac is doing the regular S&P 500 anyway. So anyway, we're getting this this micro channel up, and I started playing this, and I was really happy that I started playing this. So you get this move, it's a higher low. What I did here, because I did take this trade, what I did here is I waited because it looked congestive, but it also looked like this micro channel. Once I got this bar, I put a limit order in and got filled right at that level, because once you see this bar, that confirmed the channel to me. So I did get this. This was a successful trade, and then you get this failed second entry short, first entry, second entry, and the bounce off the EMA. I like that. It's aggressive because it might be congestive, and you don't know if prices are going to drop back down again, but I like that, especially you're running into this price level right here. But I like that, and I didn't really like any of this. This is just too congestive for me. Look at it. Yeah, you're going to get chopped up here. Look, you might go short under this double test right here. I don't know if you would get a successful trade on that, but yeah, I don't like this, especially it's at the top of this channel. Let's see if you would have gotten filled here. So you would have had 1175. Yeah, you wouldn't have gotten filled there, right? Oh no, you would have eventually. Yeah, eventually you would have. But anyway, that's all I got for today. So please let me know if you'd rather I stick with the ES or if you're okay with me doing the MES.